Okay, let's get into a comfortable position where you're sitting upright. Helps you stay alert. I want to say welcome to the Mindset Change podcast, and I'm Paul Sheppard. I'm going to be guiding you through this insightful meditation. So when you're ready, I'd like you to connect with your breath and think about how you're arriving today. It's interesting that the more you practice this type of meditation, the quicker you can begin to slip into that meditative zone. So regular practice is encouraged. And just take a nice big deep breath in through the nose, feeling your belly expand. And as you begin to blow slowly out through your mouth, allow your eyes just to gently close. Still focusing your attention on the rise and fall of your belly. Breathing softly and gently to relax your nervous system, which tells the brain you are safe. And allows your body just to settle into this meditative moment. And now just drawing your attention to the top of your head, your scalp. Each out-breath is an invite to let go of any tension or tightness in the part of the body we are focusing on. So as you breathe out, allow your scalp to relax, your forehead, the back of your head, your facial muscles, your jaw, your neck and shoulders. Breathing down to your chest. Muscles unwinding, tension releasing. Down to your stomach. And around your back. Slowly down your arms to your fingers. Your buttocks resting there on a chair or the floor, whatever you're sat on. Just the intention just to let go is important here. Your thighs, your calf muscles, and all the way down to your feet. And expanding your awareness out to take in the cloud of sensations that you are experiencing that comes from your body. And we're going to move into your mind now. And I'd like you to imagine in front of you a door. I'm not sure what color this door is, or what it looks like. But behind the door is someone who can help you answer something that you want to ask. So I'd like you to think for a moment, what would you like to have answered? Now, in a moment, I'm going to ask you to open the door and ask your question to whoever is on the other side. If you struggle to open the door, or there is no one there, or there's some struggle of some type, this could represent your subconscious mind resisting the change that could come from knowing the answer to your question. So be patient, breathe into your nervous system, allow it to continue relaxing, and just be open and patient to whatever happens. You may need to repeat this exercise to go deeper and to have more clarity with your answer. Are you ready? Let's open the door and ask your question. Whatever answer you get, just sit with and just see what other insights come up, or do you have another question that you would like to ask? Let those insights arise within you and just listen, even if you're sat in silence for a while. And now give yourself a wonderful inner smile. Thank yourself and maybe whoever has been helping you from within, for the insights that you may have received today. And then when you are ready, you can open your eyes and come back to your surroundings. What was that like for you? Was there a struggle? This is pretty normal for the subconscious mind to resist, and it's important to repeat so that you can begin to relax that part of you that worries about the answers that you may receive, which could lead to change. You can repeat this exercise and talk to the part of you that fears change. You can ask that part of you questions, and you could coach them into help you make those changes, to develop those insights and answers from within. What you experienced, to let me know in a review or join my online community, and you can engage with me there. If you haven't yet subscribed to this podcast, please do so, because you seriously do not want to miss some of the episodes that are coming your way. Remember to stay awake, stay aware, and I hope you have the most incredible day.